います。Good morning, everyone. 今日は私たちはこれから紙の工場 Recycle Paper Company. We are going to Recycle Paper Company. So, でそこでは They're using this kind of box, and then we put any papers inside. Then, after drink milk or juice, we wash bottle, paper bottle, and drying it. Then, cut and opening it like this shape. Then, after collect many pieces, we put them in kind of paper bag. Then write it how many pieces inside. Then today is a festival, so very crowd, and then they want to do it quickly. So that's why we write it total pieces like this.
So how many pieces?
413 pieces.
So this paper, milk paper materials is about 413 pieces.
Yes. Then Japanese company using like a high technology, and then using good paper for milk bottle or juice bottle. So that's why they said this paper is very good paper and then expensive. So that's why if we collect 5 pieces, they change one toilet roll. So meaning like today 413 pieces, meaning like more than 80 rolls we can get.
80 rolls of tissues.
So roll tissue for toilet.
So this waste papers, we convert it into tissue today.
Yes.
So follow us. Let's go. All your milk paper, please don't throw it.
So don't throw it.
You can use it for something else.
Can get some product.
Yeah.
Then carton box more.
Carton box also.
Can throw. これが全部 all of this become product.
Okay. So follow me. Let's go.
Let's go.
We are in the car right now, so we're about to go to Corex.
Gigi Baba, my grandma. Nina いる?
Where is Nina? I can't. Oh, look at this little boy. Where is Benny? I can't see it. Where is Benny? Oh, someone is hiding. Someone is hiding right here. Where is mommy? Look at Mamito. Mommy's cute.
Mamito ここだよ.
Look at Benny. Say hi.
Good morning.
Come on, let's go, everyone. Ooh, who is driving us today? Daddy. Daddy's driving us.
Mommy. So let's go Baba's house.
Okay, let's go to
Grandma's house first.
So see you guys later. So we're going to show you the procedures of exchanging your milk box into tissue paper.
Tissue paper.
Just remember the
paper.
secret. Woo! Don't throw all your milk empty paper. It's money, oh. Don't throw it.
Money.
You can use it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Getting there. I want to video the whole scenario. You understand?
今から藤川橋を渡ります。We will cross the Fujikawa Bridge. Then the company is close to the bridge. The name is Corex Recycle Paper Company. Fuji City has many recycle paper company. ねえ、ダディ? So 入りますよ。We enter. ここです。これです。藤川ブリッジ。これってみんな藤川行って栄えるってこと？こっち行くと海です。これは海ちゃん？そう。こっちが海です。 こっちが山です。で、私たちはturn left します。いけるよ、ブルーだもん。
海ってさ、こっち。じゃあチックほらもらって、お姉さん。じゃあ受け取ってくれるかな？ありがとう。チックもう一個取って。
ありがとうございます。
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 やった。ありがとうございました。
どうする？ちょっと買う？
うん。そううまい。
どこ？
で、
ちょっとI asked. すいません、ティッシュも買いたい。
中でイベントやってますか？
じゃあまっすぐお願いします。
まっすぐ。
まっすぐ。はい。
チック危ないよ。耳触ってる。ママ受け。
どっか空いてる？
ママ中もやってる。ママあれはこの白い構造でも。
Finally, we go back to home. これだけのものをゲットしました。
So 413 pieces of milk paper. We give you this tissue box.
This one.
So can you unbox? Let's unbox it. Unbox. Yeah, the tissue boxes. 413 pieces of
And then
paper.
this one.
Give us this.
12 pieces 入ってるから。
These are the
1, 2, 3, 4. 10.
So don't throw away your milk papers in Japan. I'm talking about Japan.
Yes.
Do not throw your milk papers. You can send it to recycle company and get something in return. Paper companies in Fuji do this kind of event, so please.
And
Okay.
10 pieces ね。We got meaning like a 12 rows times 10だから。120.
Oh,
120
rows of tissue.
Then
なんか何でも見つけないの？
everybody
キーがじゃなくて
can try to try to make this kind of rolls free.
So in the event you can roll by yourself. It's kind of trying to have experience of how the tissue is rolled. The back is rolled, yeah.
They have many type of
Colors. Sakura, Sakura, Imamono, Nodori.
Cow, farm とコールジャパンパーク大阪とかとこれはヘベリーズリサイクルトイレットペーパーヘベリーズこれは富士宮 SDGs.
Thank you.
So add more 5. Yeah.
Thank
add
you.
more 3. Yeah. And kids can do 何あれなんだ the machine.
Like try a lot.
Then we could get this recycle bag かなとtheir キャラクターのコアレくんロボットあとこういうボールを取ったりあとこういうジュースもやってます
Thank you.
Thank you